Hey there, the team over at CleanMax has sent over one of their pet fur removal gloves. This is gonna come in super handy with my dog because he is a double coated Sheltie, so there's always fur all over the house. Let's take a closer look at it. Here's an up close look at the mitt itself. This is the side that the pet fur is gonna get collected on. It has a roughish style surface on it to help hold that fur. The back side here is where your hand is gonna go. There's a place for every finger and thumb, and it is this mesh material, which will allow for some nice airflow. It also has a strap here, and that will just help keep it on and make it a little more comfortable. It doesn't really hold tight, but that's no problem there because it's just going to give me some extra support for it not falling off as I'm using it. If you're the type that likes to hang things up like this, then there is a strap here to hang it over your hook. From what I can tell in looking at it, the stitches all look like they are well done. I don't see any loose stitches. I used it on a chair that he is always rubbing up against, and this did a really good job, not only getting a lot of that fur up, but also getting up some of those loose straggling fibers that can end up getting caught up on things. Next, I used it on the carpet, and it did a really good job, again, getting up fur and any loose fibers that were on the carpet. Finally, I tried it on my shirt. I really like how I got the additional fur off my shirt because there are just certain colors and fabrics that tend to collect extra fur, and this is an easy, reusable way to get it off my clothes. When this gets dirty, cleaning it is no problem because it can be washed by hand, or my favorite method where I don't have to do a whole lot, toss it in the washer. If you're looking for an easy way to get fur off the furniture, your clothing, and things like the carpet and other fabrics, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.